You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 1 over 4. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 27 over 2 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 6. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 1 over 4.